Let's discuss about Kubernetes. Kubernetes, often abbreviated as K8s, is an open-source container orchestration platform that facilitates the automated deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Developed by Google and later contributed to the CloudNative Computing Foundation (CNCF), Kubernetes has become a cornerstone in the world of modern application development and deployment. Kubernetes emerges as a powerful, flexible, and extensible solution for managing containerized applications. It addresses the complexities of distributed systems, offering a range of features for seamless deployment, scaling, and maintenance. In the dynamic landscape of modern application development and deployment, managing containers efficiently is paramount. Containers provide a convenient way to package and run applications consistently across various environments. However, as applications scale and evolve, the need for a robust orchestration system becomes evident. This is where Kubernetes, an open-source container orchestration platform, steps in to streamline and enhance the deployment and management of containerized applications. Let's discuss about Kubernetes cluster component. Kubernetes operates on a master worker architecture, where there is a central control plane known as the master node, and multiple worker nodes responsible for running the actual workloads. This architecture is designed to provide scalability, fault tolerance, and efficient management of containerized applications. Master node is responsible for controlling the state of the cluster and is the origin of task assignments. Worker nodes manage the components that run the applications. In summary, Kubernetes leverages a master worker architecture to efficiently manage and orchestrate containerized applications, offering a robust and scalable solution for modern container orchestration. Welcome to our exploration of Kubernetes, the powerhouse that transforms the landscape of application management. Let's dive into the whys and the hows of Kubernetes and why it's a game-changer for modern infrastructure. Resilient distributed systems. In a world where containers may falter, applications must persist without downtime. Enter Kubernetes, orchestrating the dance of resilience. It ensures the continuity of your distributed systems by effortlessly restarting failed containers, seamlessly replacing them as needed. Service discovery and load balancing. As we navigate the ebb and flow of high traffic, Kubernetes emerges as our guiding light. Picture this: high traffic to a container demands efficient distribution for stability. Kubernetes steps in with service discovery and load balancing, artfully distributing network traffic for a stable deployment. Storage orchestration. Seamless utilization of various storage systems is the hallmark of Kubernetes. Picture a symphony of storage solutions, local storages, public cloud providers, and more. Kubernetes orchestrates the harmony, allowing automatic mounting and support for diverse storage environments. Automated rollouts and rollbacks. In the delicate dance of updates and rollbacks, Kubernetes takes the lead. Control transitions from the current state to the desired state are now automated. Kubernetes orchestrates container deployments, ensuring a controlled, seamless flow in the ever-evolving symphony of states. Automatic bin packing. Optimizing resource utilization is a delicate art, especially in a cluster of nodes. Kubernetes, our resource maestro, intelligently allocates containers to nodes. Picture this as a ballet of efficiency, maximizing resource utilization based on specified CPU and memory requirements. Self-healing. In the face of container failures and unresponsiveness, Kubernetes emerges as the proactive guardian. It monitors and manages container health, seamlessly restarting, replacing, or gracefully ending containers as needed, ensuring a symphony of seamless service delivery. Secret and configuration management. secrets and configurations are the treasures of your application kingdom. Kubernetes provides a secure vault, a platform for storing and updating secrets and configurations. All this, without exposing them in stack configurations, ensuring a fortress of security. Batch execution. Beyond services, Kubernetes extends its prowess to efficiently manage batch and CI workloads. In a ballet of efficiency, Kubernetes replaces failed containers as necessary, ensuring a flawless execution of batch processes and continuous integration workflows. Horizontal scaling. Scaling your applications dynamically is no longer a challenge. Kubernetes, our scaling virtuoso, enables easy scaling based on demand. Whether through manual commands, a user interface, or automatic adjustments based on CPU usage, Kubernetes adapts, ensuring harmony in your application scale. IPv4 and IPv6 dual stack. In the world of addresses, Kubernetes is our linguistic maestro. Picture the allocation of both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. Kubernetes supports dual stack allocation to pods and services, ensuring compatibility with both IPv4 and IPv6 protocols. A true symphony of connectivity. Designed for extensibility. In the grand design of Kubernetes, adaptability is key. Adapting to evolving requirements without changing the core code is its forte. Kubernetes invites you to add features to the cluster without modifying upstream source code. A canvas of flexibility and extensibility. It's evident that Kubernetes is not just a platform, it's an orchestral masterpiece, conducting a symphony of efficiency, resilience, and adaptability in the world of containerized applications. Let's unravel the truths about Kubernetes, a versatile orchestration platform that brings flexibility to the world of containerized applications. But what is Kubernetes not? Let's dive into its limitations and dispel some common misconceptions. Not a traditional, all-inclusive PaaS system. In a world hungry for all inclusive solutions, Kubernetes takes a different stance. It's not a traditional PaaS system. Why? Because Kubernetes operates at the container level, not hardware, offering a realm of flexibility and choice to developers navigating the containerized landscape. Not a source code deployer. While deployment is a key act in the application journey, Kubernetes is not a source code deployer. It focuses on the container, the vessel that encapsulates your application. CI/CD workflows? That's a matter of organizational preferences, not a role for Kubernetes to play. Does not provide application-level services. As we venture deeper, remember that Kubernetes isn't a one-stop shop for application-level services. Middleware, data processing frameworks, databases, caches, and cluster storage systems are not built-in services. However, they can gracefully dance on the Kubernetes stage, accessible through portable mechanisms. Does not dictate logging, monitoring, or alerting solutions. As the orchestration maestro, Kubernetes harmonizes with various tools. Yet, it does not dictate the terms of your observability symphony. Logging, monitoring, and alerting solutions? Kubernetes provides integration options but maintains the flexibility for users to choose and conduct their orchestration in tune with their preferences.